What's going on, guys? Today we're going to talk about holsters. Alright, so yeah, we all know what these are for. We don't need to discuss that, but I personally have used a few other holsters. This is not going to be a pro Tulster Holster review or rah rah rah. Not paid or sponsored to tell you guys right off the bat. Yeah. So if you've seen any of our other videos, you know we do straight up honest reviews. I needed something different. I'm coming from a leather holster that was fantastic for jeans and that stuff. And I needed something more catered to like sweatpants, basketball shorts, things with like elastic bands that, you know, don't require a belt or don't have a belt. I wasn't looking to spend $100 for the fancy pants with the belts inside of them. You guys know what I'm talking about. So my option as a bigger guy was to go external carry or stick with the IWB, the interior waistband, whatever they call it. So yeah, the IWB, I wanted to stick with that to keep it more concealable, and went with the Tulster Holster, which is this piece of plastic. It comes with their own clip that just goes over the belt. Now, the trick is, which I don't know how many people know about this company, but Utility. So show you guys the Utility and the Utility Tuck. So this piece is completely adjustable. So it's a piece of metal with a hard something material, and this slides up and down so you can adjust it. So this is the Utility Tuck, and it mounts in the same holes as the clip. As the Utility clip, and goes into the holster itself, the plastic or whatever type of polymer or whatever that is. And I bought these separately, but they're used in conjunction. So a lot of people are unaware that you can use both on a holster of this nature. Again, this holster is just the brand I went with. You can go with any brand and put these functions on there. So the Utility clip and the Utility Tuck, basically you could buy that for just about any holster you carry. It doesn't matter the brand. You don't have to go out and buy one polymer holster. I had to because I did not have one, and my leather one I couldn't screw anything into. It didn't work that way. So this clip, basically you would put your clothing item, whatever it may be, under here and latch this down, and it's not going anywhere. Trust me when I tell you, it is so hard. It's actually a little difficult to open up the clip when you want to remove the holster. So that's a good thing though, because you want to be able to utilize the item that goes in here and have this remain on your pants. With a normal clip, it's significantly easier because there's usually a little lip and it grasps onto your belt. This is the option for sweatpants, etc. Now, I can still use this for if I'm wearing a belt. I can either attach this to the belt or attach this to the pants and put the belt over it. So when this is down, I can put the belt over this, and now it completely covers even the clip portion of it so that you don't even see it. If your shirt happened to be raised a little bit, you wouldn't even see a clip or anything on the outside of the belt. So you're not required to mount it to the belt. You could still keep it to your pants and use the belt as a cover, so to speak, to cover the clip. So the tuck wing, basically, most people know what this is by now. When you tighten your belt, it pushes against this, and the handle of this tool gets pushed closer into your body. So it would be pushed in like that, and again, better for concealment purposes. So hopefully I described everything and the functions of all of this stuff in enough detail where you guys understand. If you have any questions or anything like that, head over to the Instagram page, the Rev Room on Instagram. ask questions there. That's the best place to do it. Let's leave them out of the comment section of this video. But if you guys have this set up or something similar to it, you can comment down below. Let us know what you're using. I always like trying new stuff, new products, new ideas. Yeah, so just a new thing, well, new to me thing that I just wanted to showcase to all you guys in case you had the same issues as me and wanted to carry with sweatpants and basketball shorts, etc. Here's an option for you. So that's all we got. If you guys like the video, check out our other content as well as this content, and that's it. Take care.